Good afternoon, Rabbis. We already finished exercise 4.1, 1 to 4 samda. Next I will go for question number 5. Right. Question number 5, they given triangle ABC, right angle at angle C. And the next DE. DE perpendicular to AB. Then you want to prove that triangle ABC. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADE. That is, triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADE. You want to prove these two triangles are proved. And then these two triangles are similar, you want to prove that. And then next you want to find the length of AE and DE. So you want to find the length of AE and DE. These two values also you want to find. Okay. So first you want to find these two triangles are similar. Okay. And then next you want to find the value of AE and DE. Okay. Now in this given diagram, the given BC is equal to 12 and AD is equal to 3 and DC is equal to 2. They given. And the next AC. Right, AC is equal to, we can write AD plus DC. AD plus DC. Okay. So we can get AC is equal to 3 plus 2, we can get 5. So AC we can get 5. Okay. So AC I can take here 5. And then now you want to prove the two triangles are similar. Okay. So in these two triangles I can take first one triangle ABC and then triangle ADE. Right. Here angle C is 90 degree. Angle C is 90 degree and E is perpendicular to AB. So E also 90 degree. So only I can take angle C is equal to angle E. Two of them 90 degree. Angle C is equal to angle E is 90 degree. Okay. And then in these two triangles, right, angle A is common. Angle A is common. Right. In these two triangles, right. So angle A is common angle. Angle A is common. So two angles are equal. So C is equal to 90 degree and A is common angle. So two angles are equal. So by AA similarity, we get two triangles are similar. That is, triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADE. So now we can prove the two triangles are similar. And then next we want to find the length of AE and DE you want to find. So length of AE and DE you want to find. Right. So from this diagram, triangle ABC, right. So BC is given and AC also given. So AB is not given. So first we can find AB because we can, the two triangles are similar means we can use the corresponding sides ratios. Corresponding sides of ratios. So in this triangle ABC, two side only they given. The third side is not given. So I can find the third side. Okay. Here the third side, it is a hypotenuse. So by Pythagoras theorem, so in right angle triangle ABC, right, by Pythagoras, right, we can apply the Pythagoras result. We can get A hypotenuse BC square is equal to by Pythagoras we can get hypotenuse square is equal to adjacent side square plus opposite side square. Adjacent side square plus opposite side square. So here hypotenuse is not given. Right. Adjacent side BC is equal to 12 square and adjacent side AC is equal to 5 square. Then next we can get 144 plus 25. So is equal to 169. So AB square is equal to 169. Then AB we can get 13. So in this triangle we can get AB is equal to 13. Next, you want to find the length of AE and DE you want to find. Okay, va? So now these two triangles are similar, we can prove Noda. Now the triangles are similar means then the corresponding sides of ratios are equal, right? So now I can take the corresponding sides of these two triangles, right? Okay. So take the corresponding sides of these two triangles, right? Here angle forming at ADA, right? And then it is a 90 degree. So this side is adjacent side because angle forming the point A. So we can take this side is adjacent side. Angle forming line is called adjacent side, and this is the angle opposite this one. So we can take this is opposite side, and then bigger side we can take hypotenuse. Okay, same one here, angle forming at the point A and it is 90 degree. So we can take this is a adjacent side, and DE is opposite side and DA is hypotenuse. Okay, well, this is the sides of the triangle. Now we can use the sides of ratios. Okay, now we can the sides of ratios. Okay, take and write that sides of ratios here. Okay, adjacent side is AC. Here adjacent side is AE. So adjacent side AC by AE. And then second side opposite side here BC. And then here opposite side DE is equal to hypotenuse AB. And here hypotenuse is AD. This is the corresponding sides of ratios. Now take and substitute the values. AC is equal to 5. AE is not given, so we can take AE. BC they given, BC is equal to 12. DE is not given. AB they given 13. And AD they given 3. Right? So these are the given values. Now we want to find AE and DE you want to find. So first I can take first one and second one. Sorry, first one and third one. So 5 by AE is equal to 13 by 3. Okay. So now we want to find AE. So only I can take first one and third one. Now we can take cross multiple. We can get AE is equal to 5 into 3 by 13. So 5 3s are 15 by 13. So we can get AE is equal to, we can divide it by 15. So that's his answer. A is equal to 15 by 13. No need to divide. So answer is A is equal to 15 by 13. Okay, va? Next I can take 2 and 3. 2 and 3. So 2 is 12 by DE and third one 13 by 3. Because here you want to find the value of DE. Now we can take cross multiple. D is equal to 12 into 3 by 13. So we can get D is equal to 36 by 13. So this is the value for AE and DE. So this is question number 5. Clear? So next question number 7. So given this diagram given, right? You want to prove this 4 ones you want to prove. Okay, first given OPRQ is a square. So given OPRQ is a square. They given is a square. Right? It is given. Square means all the sides are equal. Square means we can take all the sides are equal. So I can take OQ is equal to QR is equal to RP is equal to OP, because they given OPRQ is a square. So in square 4 sides are equal, so I can take the 4 sides are equal. Okay, then next what they given, angle MLN equal to 90 degree. So this is they given 90 degree. Then you want to prove first one, this one LOP is similar to triangle QMO, first one, right? And then second one, third one and fourth one. Now first I can prove first one. So first one is triangle LOB is similar to triangle QMO, right? So I can take the triangle. So first one LOP, first triangle, and then second one QMO. Okay, wow. So I can take the two triangles LOP and QMO, two triangles. Clear? So here they given L is equal to 90 degree and Q also perpendicular. So we can get Q also 90 degree. Okay, wow. So only I can take here Q is 90 degree. So from these two triangles, right, angle L is equal to angle Q, because 2 also 90 degree, right? And the next triangle LOB and the next triangle QMO, right? So triangle LOP and QMO, this is given two triangles you want to prove similar, right? In this two triangle I can take from this given diagram, right? In this given diagram LOB and MQ, okay, LOB and MQ, that lines I will take here. Angle O equal to angle M, angle O is equal to angle M, right? You want to prove these two triangles are similar. First one L is equal to angle Q 90 degree. Then next I can take LOP, right? That line. So from this diagram I will take LOP and this MQ line, right? So now here L is LOP and here angle forming O, and the next here angle forming M, right? These two angles are equal. That is angle O is equal to angle M. Angle O is equal to angle M. Two angles are equal because these two angles are corresponding angles. These two angles are corresponding angles. Okay, corresponding angles are equal. So only I can take angle O is equal to angle M, right? In LOP the angle forming O and here angle forming M, right? Because O and M are corresponding angles. Okay, so here one is 90 degree and angle O is equal to angle M, two also equal corresponding angles. So two angles are equal. So by AA similarity we get, right, triangle LOP is similar to triangle QMO, right? This is result for first one. Okay, wow. Then next you want to prove triangle LOP is similar to triangle RPN, right? You want to prove these two triangles are similar. Okay, so I can take the two triangles LOP and the triangle RPN. So here R is perpendicular, so we can take R is 90 degree. So I can take here R also 90 degree. Okay, so first one angle L is equal to angle R equal to 90 degree. It is first one. Okay, and the next first I can use same model I can using here. So I can take this from this diagram LPO underline R NR. Okay, so I can take this diagram like this. Okay, here angle P and here angle N, right? So angle P and angle N. So angle forming are point B and point N. These two angles are equal because these two angles are corresponding angles. So angle P is equal to angle N. Two also equal because corresponding angles. Two angles are corresponding angles. So we can get angle P is equal to angle N. Okay, Now two angles are equal. That is angle L is equal to angle R 90 degree and angle P is equal to angle N. So angle P is equal to angle N. Two also equal because two angles are corresponding angles. So by AA similarity, we get triangle LOP is similar to triangle RPN. So two triangles are similar, we can get. Okay, va? And then this is second proof. And we go for third one. Okay, so I can take from 1 and 2. Okay, first one is triangle LOP is similar to KMO. And then second one LOP is similar to triangle RPN. So this is from 1 and 2. So I can take from 1 and 2. Right? From 1 is first one, we can prove LOP is similar to QMO. And then second one is LOP is similar to RPN. Right? So from 1 and 2, we can get here LOP is similar to QMO. Here also LOP is similar to RPN. Right? So both condition LOP only no. LOP is similar to QMO, LOP is similar to RPN. So we can get triangle QMO similar to triangle RPN. Right? So LP here equal to, here also LP equal to this one. So left hand sides are equal, then we can get right hand sides are equal. Same condition we can use. So triangle QMO is similar to RPN. We can get the third result. Okay, now we go for fourth result. So we can use this similar triangles. So triangle QMO is similar to triangle RPN. Right? These two triangles are similar. Okay, I can use this condition for fourth result. Right? Here triangle QMO, and then second one RPN. Right? Here Q is equal to 90 degree and R also 90 degree. And then here angle forming at the point M. The center point only the angle forming the right. So center point only the angle forming. So I can take the angle forming the point here M. So the angle at M, here the angle at P. Okay, center letter only the angle will form the. So only I can take here in triangle QMO, I can take M is angle here and here P is angle forming. Right? So angle forming at M. So I can take this is adjacent side and this one is opposite side and this one is hypotenuse. Okay, here angle forming at point P. So I can take this is adjacent side and this is opposite to angle. So I can take this is opposite side and this one is hypotenuse. So this is the sides of these two triangles. Now the two triangles are similar. Right? Two triangles are similar. Then sides of ratios taken right. So sides of ratios adjacent side here MQ. Right? Here adjacent side PR equal to opposite side OQ. Here opposite side RN. Clear? So here you want to prove, right? Fourth one is QR square is equal to MQ into RN. Right? So these two sides of ratios only I can take the. So now we can take cross multiple. We can get MQ is equal to MQ into RN equal to OQ into PR. Right? So MQ into RN equal to OQ into PR we can get. Right? So given triangle OPRQ is a square. OPRQ is a square. So four sides are equal. Right? So I can take this result here. OPRQ is a square. So square means all the sides are equal. So we can get OQ is equal to QR is equal to RP is equal to PO. Right? So all the sides are equal. So left hand side you need MQ into RN. So I won't change these two sides. Right? This one I can change it to this condition. OQ into PR. But the result you want to prove QR square. Right? So OQ. Right? OQ is equal to QR. Okay, I can substitute here. So we can get MQ into RN is equal to OQ is equal to QR. So I can take QR and PR. Right? PR also equal to QR. So I can take QR. Right? Understand? OQ is equal to QR. So I can substitute OQ is equal to QR and PR also equal to QR. So I can substitute here QR. So we can get MQ into RN is equal to QR square. So this is result number 4. So next question number 6. So question number 6, they given triangle ACB. Triangle ACB is similar to APQ. Right? Question is they given two triangles are similar. Right? So two triangles are similar. Then you want to find CA and PQ you want to find. Okay. So two triangles are similar. Then we can take the sides of ratios. So sides of ratios here AB by AQ is equal to CA by AP. Right? And then last one BC by PQ. BC by PQ. So two triangles are questions are they given similar. So we can take the sides of ratios. Right? And that question they given AB is equal to 6.5. AB is equal to 6.5. And then AQ they not given. So we can take AQ. And then equal to CA. Right? CA also not given. You want to find CA we can take. AB is equal to 2.8. And then BC is equal to 8 and PQ is equal to 4. Right? These are given the okay. Now you want to find AQ and AC. AQ and AC you want to find. So I can take 1 and 3 first. So 6.5 by AQ is equal to 8 by 4. So now we can take cross multiple. 1 4 is 4. 2 4s are 8. Then next we can get AQ is equal to 6.5 by 2. 6.5 by 2. So we can cancel this one. We can get AQ is equal to 3.25. This is for 1 and 3. And the next I want to find CA. Right? I can take 2 and 3. So CA by 2.8 is equal to 8 by 4. Okay. So we can take cross multiple. 1 4 is 4. 2 4s are 8. Then CA is equal to 2.8 into 2. We can get 5.6 centimeter. So this is question number 6. Thank you guys.